stop, please. Please, hard. Oh, wait a second, wait. Let's get this tomato box. Let's get that tomato box in the picture also, because these, let's see, let's move this stuff here, so we don't have it falling around the picture.
Hold on, honey. Okay, there we go. Oh, you already got it. Look at that man. Let's dump in those tomatoes, Ben. Let's dump in the ones we haven't done yet. Let's dump these in.
All of them?
Mm-hmm.
This is heavy.
Isn't this great, Andrea? Yeah, believe it, this is. Next year we'll make applesauce.
Oh,
Of course, you can buy electric grinders that just makes this go like lickety
Where did
split.
we go again?
Down here in
we're gonna set
Florida,
up the whole
what-
village on that table over there. I have to get out the houses first.
If you can get
By my
tomatoes for 50
door.
cents a
I'll help you in
pound,
just a
like-
second, honey.
How you doing? You getting tired?
Can I get some?
Okay.
Be really careful.
Something's wrong.
I'm not pushing, let's see, maybe there's one that is kind of. That's right. Yeah, see, they'll squirt at us if we.
Grandma Chris. Say hi.